Hey folks, so I made another order from Bloomify Orchid Gene. I bought this one off Etsy because I didn't see it on their website. I've bought things before from them. They're based here in North Carolina and they're pretty good. So I've been happy with the quality I've been receiving. Excuse me, just ate a chip before recording. So what I purchased here is a Darlingtonia Darlingtonia californica. And essentially I bought one time and they never mentioned it was grown in a humid environment, so it died. So this one they advertised on Orchid Gene, because the other one I bought from a different source requires humidity, which means they grew it in a humid environment. So here we go. I'm going to open this. This is nice that they gave a little cup for it not to crush. I also like how the receipt provided information on the purchase, like the cost and everything. So it's good if you wanted that information, which most places don't provide receipts anymore. I think Amazon started that. So here we go. So the long fibrous sphagnum feels a little dry, but it's not bone dry. And we have a healthy little Darlingtonia. So I'm going to have to acclimate this to drier conditions so that I don't kill it before I plant it the way I want to. I came up with a system that I wanted to experiment with that might actually work with getting these to thrive, because they're one of the harder carnivorous plants to contend with in a collection. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching and happy planting.